Hello, Praia de Estado Pedro de Muel is the place that we are in right now. As you can see, we've been doing our laundry all day actually. We've been hanging out in the laundry shop. It was pretty good because they had free Wi-Fi and we could watch back the series that we didn't see for a long time. And now just waiting for this to dry. Merel is over there to check out the sea. There are some dogs here, some street dogs. I think Merel might be falling in love with a few, so hopefully not too much, because I don't think it would all fit in the camper, of course. But yeah, this is Monday for us. Hier dan. Hij gaat me gewoon voortduwen. Ja, kom maar maat. Yo, goeie.
Ja, maar voor hun is dit normaal, hè?
Ja. Oh, kijk, het gaan hier. Dit is te gek weer. Goud gek weer. Hello.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good.
All right. Where are we now? On the beach.
On the beach.
Yes. And this week we've been to a few places.
A few beaches.
A few beaches actually. We've been to. We've seen lots of sand and water. And sand.
And more water.
Yes.
And lots of heat.
Lots of heat also. Where did we went this week?
We went to
Praia de São de Julião.
yeah, and there you surfed for the first time.
Yeah, I tried surfing. It was very difficult because the waves on that day were very hard.
And you skimboarded.
I skimboarded a lot. Also, that was very hard, as you can see.
And we had some campfires And we met some lovely people,
Yes.
like Rogier and Wendy. They were also Dutch and traveling.
Yeah.
Then we went to Sines,
Sines. We went to Sines.
which had a castle and also a beach.
Yeah, a nice view. We checked out the castle, walked among the castle walls. It was pretty cool.
And then we drove here. But before we got here, we got stuck on the sandy road. The tires got stuck in the sand.
Yeah. I don't got footage of us getting out, but we made it, so all good.
And then we got here.
Yeah.
And now we're on the beach.
Woo!